I'm talking to Christian Coley of Parrot, and Christian, it looks like you kind of have droids happening in your hands, some drones, something is going on here. I don't know what's going on, but you have to explain what these awesome gadgets are.
Thanks for having me. So what we're doing here, we are launching two new exciting products. One called the Parrot MiniDrone, right here, and here you have the Parrot Jumping Sumo. So each one of them obviously has some really cool, really specific features, but what I can tell you, as you can see, the booth is very crowded. It's all about excitement and fun here at Parrot. The Parrot MiniDrone is actually a smaller version of the current AR.Drone 2.0 that's available right now in Canada. As you guys know, with the AR.Drone 2.0, you can fly it using Wi-Fi, but in the case of the MiniDrone, we're using Bluetooth Smart. So using Bluetooth Smart, you can pilot your mini drone, and basically what it does is that once it's connected to your iDevice or any Android device, you're using the accelerometers of your device to pilot it, meaning that if you tilt left, the drone will be tilting left. If you tilt right, the drone will be tilting right. So it's really easy to control, really easy to pilot at the end of the day.
And this is great because some of these are not so easy to control. The real test would see if I could do it, and then we'd know if it's easy to control. So what are some of the other features of this mini one here?
I'll tell you what, that's a very good point, because when we built the AR drone and the mini drone right here, the idea for us was to make sure that we have a product that's very easy to pilot. So what makes it cool is that once, while you're piloting it, if you're not sure what you're doing, you're like, I don't know where I'm going, you remove your fingers from your device and automatically the mini drone will hover. That makes it really cool. On top of it, the mini drone comes with wheels. So these wheels, you can remove them or you can keep them. So imagine when you're flying them with the wheels, at some point you decide to land, well, the mini drone will land on the floor, and kind of like a car, you'll be able to pilot it, drive, do some 360 degrees turns, and you will even be able to climb on the wall with the mini drone.
Oh
really
man,
cool.
That is so cool. So what is the battery life on something like this?
The battery life is about 8 minutes. We're using a standard lithium polymer battery.
And so how long does it take to charge it up?
So those are features that we're finalizing right now, but at the end of the day, the charge will not take much time, and the users will have the opportunity to certainly buy a spare battery, of course, kind of like we did it for the current AR.Drone 2.0.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about this big guy, the Sumo. He's the star, you're saying, so let's give the star the spotlight.
The Jumping Sumo is the star. You can see it already here at CES on several covers of magazines. Lastly, also, we've already received several awards for Jumping Sumo. I would say that this is a robotic toy that you control using Wi-Fi from a smart device. It streams live video. It has a built-in camera which streams live video to your smart device. So if you're holding an iPad, piloting it, it's going to stream a live video. And you will see everything that Jumping Sumo is seeing. On top of it, it runs fast, it turns around 360 degrees, and more importantly, it can jump as well. This is excitement at its best.
How do you make it jump? Is it the same kind of accelerate with your iPhone and you pull that up and then it'll jump?
So basically, through the app, you're just going to be able to activate or touch the screen or a button on the screen, and Jumping Sumo will jump, you know? Jumping Sumo jumps.
Jumping Sumo jumps, that is the coolest thing. So they're not available yet. When can we expect these on the market?
Both products will be available during 2014. We have not finalized the pricing yet, but just like we try to do it, obviously we will try to make the best of the technology affordable. And again, if there's one thing that I would like to say, I would say that when it comes to Parrot, it's all about having products that are innovative, products that are unique, intuitive, easy to pilot, and at the end of the day, all about fun, especially for kids.
Absolutely. So where can people get more info in the meantime and get excited for it?
In the meantime, please visit our website, which is www.parrot.com.
Great, thanks so much. I think the only thing left is we got to try these bad boys out.
Oh yeah, I'm sure you'll do very well with it.
Okay, great.